I am Chasia Segal and came to be with you at that beautiful holiday, Hanukkah. It is a beautiful holiday of lights, Chag HaOrot, a beautiful holiday for Chag HaNisim, miracles. And you heard this sound of Hanukkah, music of Hanukkah, everything else about Hanukkah, but you did not hear what you came for, the taste of Hanukkah. And that's what I'm going to talk to you about. As you know, Hanukkah is known all over the world. The food for Hanukkah is latkes. Now we want to know why potato latkes? Why not from something else? We could make latkes from any other substance. You know that the Jewish people, what they ate every day, it's written down and you know it, it's bulbas, potatoes. It's even a song, Züntig bulbas, Montig bulbas, Dienstig, Mittwoch bulbas, Donnerstag bulbas, Freitag bulbas, Shabbos, a Kugala from bulbas. And it shows you that the people ate bulbas all the time. So what do you think is going to be the latkes made of? Of bulbas, because that was very tasty, very accessible. Now, who discovered the bulba latke? Where did it come from? That was easy for me to find out. From my family, my great-grandmother's sister-in-law. You may have heard of her. Her name was Chaya Bela. She came from a small town, Kupeshek, and everybody knew her because they called her Chaya Bela the Latke. She made the most beautiful latkes in the world. She made latkes even in the middle of the year, so they named her Chaya Bela the Latke. And because she made such good latkes, I have the recipe. Nobody else has the recipe. And because you came to hear me, I'll share it with you. What I do, I take 3 medium-sized potatoes. I take an onion, an egg, and 1/4 cup of flour. I will take out the old-fashioned food processor. And you grind the potatoes, and you have to be very careful not to keep the hand too close to it, otherwise you'll have fleischige latkes. I don't think you'll like to have it. And you do take afterwards the onion. That is a little bit harder. You see, every Jewish affair, every joyous occasion, we share tears. When it comes to making latkes, that's enough that we have potatoes to grind, so we have to have the onions. So you look away or put on glasses, or even better, ask your husband to do it for you. I think that will avoid everything. Now, if you mix it up all together, which I mixed up before because we want to save time, and we start making the latkes. Now, you know, I don't like when people call latkes pancake. A pancake is not a latke. A pancake looks like a sick latke. A pancake looks like a latke that has the mumps. You know, when you make latkes, it's one food that not only tastes good, but it smells good in the kitchen. Now, we make the latkes and we put it on a plate afterwards. Latke could be also, as you know, frozen. And you can put it as a side dish, but mostly people do it as a main dish. I do it as a main dish, and you serve it that applesauce, cinnamon, or sour cream, whatever you want to give it, serve it that. It will go. You can eat it without anything too. Nobody complained yet. Now, you put it afterwards on a paper towel to absorb the fats. But the most important thing, don't put all the latkes on one plate and put it on the table. People start grabbing it. Nothing will be left. So what you do, you take a big plate and put the latkes and bring over to each one separate and give them a few latkes and move away. Because it will be no end to it. And a little of the latkes you put away for later for yourself. If you don't know something about the latkes that I didn't mention it, you can find us on the website. www. Of course, Latke. Com. mit Soros.